Number 1. 1984 Toyota Pickup SR5 EFI Extra Cab, $6,800, Vista, California. This 1984 Toyota SR5 Extra Cab is a very desirable compact Japanese classic pickup powered by the legendary 22RE fuel-injected 4-cylinder engine, widely respected for its durability and long service life. Finished in blue with an original SR5 interior, this truck still retains many factory features including bucket seats, tachometer instrumentation, intermittent wipers, sliding rear window, and adjustable steering wheel. The seller highlights recent maintenance, including new filters, spark plugs, transmission service, muffler, and a California catalytic converter, showing that mechanical reliability was clearly prioritized. The automatic transmission and relatively low mileage for its age make it a practical classic truck that can still be driven daily. Although the dashboard is cracked and it lacks factory air conditioning, the clean title, paid registration until March 2027, and strong running condition make this a very attractive survivor from Toyota's golden pickup era. Number 2. 1983 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 C10 single cab shortbed, $7,500, Pittsburg, Antioch, California. This 1983 Chevrolet Silverado C10 combines classic square body styling with a desirable shortbed configuration and V8 power. The truck reportedly runs excellent and features dual fuel tanks, a useful factory option for extended driving range and utility use. The single-cab shortbed layout is especially popular among classic truck enthusiasts because of its balanced proportions and strong customization potential. With 113,000 miles and a clean title, this truck appears to be a straightforward project or weekend cruiser with plenty of classic Chevrolet character. Square-body Chevrolet trucks from this era continue to rise in popularity thanks to their rugged simplicity, easy parts availability, and timeless design. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet M1008 Military K30 truck, $9,500, San Antonio, Texas. This rare 1985 Chevrolet M1008 military truck is based on the heavy-duty K30 platform and powered by a dependable 6.2-liter Detroit diesel V8. It includes four-wheel drive, manual locking hubs, blackout lights, rifle racks, and a 24-volt electrical system. The truck also features an 8-inch lift, dual batteries, and upgraded components. Minor gasket leaks and small cosmetic flaws are expected on a 40-year-old military vehicle, but its rarity and military heritage make it highly collectible. Number 4. 1977 Dodge D200 Camper Special, $8,000, Chula Vista, California. This 1977 Dodge D200 Camper Special is a heavy-duty 3/4-ton pickup featuring a freshly rebuilt 383 cubic inch big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck received a mild performance camshaft, aluminum intake, and headers, helping improve both sound and drivability. Finished in olive drab and black Raptor coating, the truck has a rugged military-inspired appearance that stands out from typical classic pickups. After sitting in storage for over 8 years, it was revived with rebuilt mechanicals, repaired brakes, and a new headliner. The Camper Special package was designed specifically for hauling heavier loads in campers, making these Dodge trucks tougher than many standard pickups of the era. With current registration and strong running condition, this Dodge offers vintage utility and aggressive style at an affordable price. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet C6000 C6042, $5,000, Wichita, Kansas. This 1981 Chevrolet C6000 is a medium-duty commercial truck built for serious hauling and industrial use. Powered by a V8 gasoline engine and automatic transmission, the truck represents Chevrolet's durable heavy-duty workhorse lineup from the early 1980s. Although the odometer is broken and detailed mechanical information is limited, the clean title and solid platform make it an interesting candidate for commercial restoration, farm use, or custom heavy hauler conversion. Trucks like the C6000 are becoming increasingly rare, as many were worked hard and eventually scrapped, making surviving examples more unusual today. Number 6, 1965 Ford pickup Shortbed, $20,000, Richardson, Texas. This 1965 Ford Shortbed pickup is a partially completed restoration powered by the dependable 240 cubic inch inline-6 engine with a 3-speed manual transmission. The truck includes many upgrades such as power drum brakes, new wiring, refurbished gauges, new upholstery, retro-style radio, and cooling system improvements. Minimal rust and a straight body add major value. Mid-1960s Ford pickups remain popular for their clean styling and rugged simplicity. Number 7, 1953 Chevrolet 3100 pickup, $24,950, El Paso, Texas. This 1953 Chevrolet 3100 is a beautifully updated advanced design pickup that blends classic styling with tasteful modern upgrades. Powered by a rebuilt 235 cubic inch inline-6 engine and paired with the traditional 3-speed column shift transmission, the truck preserves much of its original driving character. Features such as aftermarket air conditioning, lowered suspension, Bilstein shocks, wood bed flooring, and chocolate brown leather interior significantly improve comfort and appearance without losing the truck's vintage identity. Finished in attractive juniper green paint, this Chevrolet stands out as a well-balanced classic cruiser. The advanced design trucks produced from 1947 through 1955 remain among the most iconic American pickups ever built due to their rounded body lines and timeless styling. Number 8, 1978 Ford F250 4x4 supercab, $12,000, Amado, Arizona. This 1978 Ford F250 supercab is powered by a cammed 460 cubic inch V8 and equipped with heavy-duty Dana 60 axles front and rear. The truck includes new BF Goodrich tires, aluminum wheels, reupholstered seats, and valuable performance parts. Although still a project, it reportedly runs and drives. Late 1970s Ford four-wheel drive trucks are increasingly collectible because of their toughness and classic off-road styling. Number 9, 1988 Chevrolet Silverado, $15,000, Placervile, California. This customized 1988 Chevrolet Silverado combines classic square body styling with modern drivetrain and comfort upgrades. Powered by a 5.7-liter LT1 V8 engine, connected to a computer-controlled automatic transmission, the truck promises significantly improved performance over its original factory setup. Additional features include custom upholstery, Bluetooth stereo, backup camera, trailer hitch, 20-inch wheels, power windows, power locks, and an alarm system. The Posi traction rear end adds better traction and performance capability. Although the truck carries a salvage title, the seller describes it as very clean and fast. Square-body Chevrolet trucks remain extremely popular among custom truck builders because they respond well to modern engine swaps and performance modifications. Number 10. 1957 Chevrolet pickup, big window, short bed, $24,500, Rancho Cucamonga, California. This 1957 Chevrolet 3100 big window pickup is an especially desirable example due to its factory big window cab, short bed configuration, and long-term California ownership history. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 3-speed manual transmission and Hurst floor shifter, the truck combines vintage style with upgraded drivability. The seller notes extensive brake system restoration, new interior components, chrome wheels, white wall tires, and weather stripping. The body is described as rust-free and exceptionally straight, both extremely important factors for Tri-5 Chevrolet trucks. The 1955 through 1957 Chevrolet pickups are among the most collectible American trucks ever produced because of their iconic styling and enormous aftermarket support. Number 11, 1968 Chevrolet C10 stepside, $21,500, Sacramento, California. Located in Newman, California, this 1968 Chevrolet C10 stepside blends classic truck styling with modern powertrain upgrades. The truck sits on an original factory short bed frame and is powered by a reliable 5.3-liter V8 engine paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission. The patina paint finish gives it a trendy vintage appearance while preserving its rugged personality. The seller states the truck starts, runs, drives, and stops without issue, making it more than just a showpiece. The combination of classic late 1960s Chevrolet styling and modern General Motors drivetrain components has become extremely popular because it offers vintage looks with dependable modern performance. Number 12, 1985 GMC C2500 High Sierra, $19,999, Carson City, Nevada. This 1985 GMC C2500 High Sierra is a mechanically restored square body truck equipped with the massive 454 cubic inch big block V8 and heavy-duty automatic transmission. The truck features dual fuel tanks, factory dual batteries, heavy-duty cooling, and a strong rear axle, making it ideal for towing or long-distance cruising. The seller notes rebuilt engine and transmission work along with interior upgrades, showing substantial investment into reliability. Minor cosmetic needs remain, including paint and wing window sealing, but mechanically the truck is described as road trip ready. GMC High Sierra models offered more upscale trim and comfort compared to standard work trucks, making them increasingly sought after among square body collectors. Number 13, 1979 Chevrolet C10 Sidestep Box Truck, $15,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This customized 1979 Chevrolet C10 Sidestep truck features extensive body and performance modifications that give it a unique custom truck presence. The truck has been chopped 6 inches, lowered 3 inches, and powered by a professionally built 350 cubic inch V8, producing approximately 425 horsepower. Additional upgrades include completely replaced dual fuel tanks and lines, Corvette wheels and tires, shaved handles, wood bed flooring, and a performance torque converter. With less than 500 miles on the engine build, this truck appears aimed towards street performance and show truck appeal. Square body Chevrolet trucks are among the most customizable classic pickups in America, and this example reflects that trend perfectly. Number 14, 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne 4x4, $14,500, Las Cruces, New Mexico. This 1976 Chevrolet Cheyenne is a strong four-wheel drive classic truck equipped with a rebuilt V8 engine, rebuilt automatic transmission, rear locking differential, and newly restored interior. The seller reports that the four-wheel drive system works great, making this truck suitable for both classic cruising and off-road use. Chevrolet Cheyenne trim levels represented the more premium side of the Chevrolet truck lineup during the 1970s, offering better interior comfort and appearance upgrades over basic models. With fresh mechanical work already completed, this truck appears ready for dependable use while still retaining its vintage square body appeal. Number 15, 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $12,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1971 Chevrolet C10 long bed is powered by a massive 454 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, giving the truck excellent torque and classic muscle truck personality. Equipped with new tires and Boss wheels, the truck reportedly runs and drives with no issues. The 1971 model year belongs to Chevrolet's highly respected Action Line truck generation, known for its cleaner styling, improved ride quality, and stronger chassis design compared to earlier pickups. Long bed trucks are often more affordable than short bed models, while still offering the same classic Chevrolet charm and strong V8 performance potential.